Yo, nous parlons à Penami, Ewenyigba TV va do Volta fait le Ho Jubilee Park. Afin, nous disons la va do pour nous le parc. Nous voir kete fugu batakali nous dudu nous ka ojonu awudodo nunu okata le Ho Jubilee Park afia. C'est qu'il y a 6 Volta trade fair and show. Henye Adelia so far called Jagoma.
Market are very slow. Ella slow pa. Like me expect when me chiraga like people will come, we will teach them about our products and also to mingle with others to know about their products. In fact, the thing is not moving that way. The market is very, very slow. We have a lot of challenges as well. Challenges you can have any but a product a jomel fee or in no far over fake me to gear over then it means when the products they buy it and they use it and it's good for them. When it's finished, that means they need to order from Accra, which they will pay delivery fee and it's making us difficult to sell. And I'm a problem that like me on your way, but let me on your pata. But the code you have our shop at the Lafia. Plus, the super product are no popular, no zoom next time. We will not face this kind of challenges.
I will be okay. Like I talk when you want to working carry work plan tactical. When I club go when I could fast. Oh, like Baji. On talk I could yell at Chitako. I don't come to yes, I can't tell my bag. What's up there? My power is a mamma girl. I don't know come there. I'm going to share some Virginia.
I'm going to say, I'm going to come down.
Okay.
See the market, the people are coming through, but the patronage of items is a little bit low. It's not as the previous fair that we went in 2022. Because 2022 it was well advertised and well organized and everything is on point. But this year the advertisement was at whole sports stadium. But we came to realize that it was moved from sports stadium to Jubilee Park. And it's like people are like they don't know that there is a fair going on. And it worries us a lot, we the vendors who purchase a stand to sell our crafts and our products. And we would like that next time if they will do it, we have to do it better. If not, some of us we would like to withdraw. Because it won't be easy for you to move your product from your home, bring it here, sit down morning to evening, or even a week. And patronage is low because of poor planning, no better advertising. And when you talk to you don't know what they are telling you. They won't give you any tangible reason that this is the main reason why it will move from stadium to here. They say, oh, this is that. But the advertising said stadium, but you can't see it. I would say that if they did their homework very well, because in the 2021 they had a lot of sponsorships. MTN was one of the biggest sponsorships in the 2021. They took care of many things. And we have Jaguar companies, big companies. And this year we don't see those people. And they have the big platform to advertise this fair. You see, because MTN is doing advert, other companies too are doing advert. Not only, how do you call it, the trade fair organizers. Wood carving, we have soap making from Northern industry, we have slippers, we have honey and the red palm. All are from Northern industry. What we do is handicraft, handworks. So if you bring our product here and we don't sell, sometimes it's like we come here to waste our time.
Jubilee Park, Volta fair. You want me here? I buy 4 days. Oh, I got 2 weeks.
Veggie Yava Pongo, Tavafa. Veggie Yavadra Muha, Tavafa. Business, Magba, Mauta. You video. Kakazanabia don't have to Pakazanado. Never mind. Roasted plantain. Your drama full of fine, no tonne
Well, it's not all that we are expecting, but other days they will come and buy because they are coming. They are coming, but they are not buying. It seems because they are not receiving their salary. Now today is the first day of the month. I think some of them will be receiving their salary, so other days they will come and patronize what we have it here. This is all that I can say. It was supposed to be started on Sunday, but when I called, the tent was not ready, so I decided to come on Monday evening. So I started on Tuesday. No, this is my second time. I can say that the last year was so good to me. I don't know, they are patronizing my service, and I thought this time it's going to be bigger than the last year, because last year there was no radio advertisement, but today there's a radio and a TV, so I thought this year is going to be big. But since the days are not over yet, I hope they will buy.
So far so good. Yeah, we've gotten some customers coming in to buy during the weekdays, because they went to work. They come in the evenings, but today being a holiday and the great day, which is a Farmers Day, customers are coming in, chipping in, buying, and also making inquiries of what we have. We are also trying to network with them and get clients here as well. I'm from Moti region. My product is from Accra. Yes, coconut flakes. Yes, it's my first time of attending Volta. It should be bigger and better next year.